All right, picture this. You're sitting on your couch humming a random melody, and suddenly you think, man, I wish someone could just turn this into a real song. Now imagine an AI that not only does that, but also asks, cool, what vibe do you want? Want it softer, more emotional? Want a chorus that hits a little harder? That's when I realized Tuney isn't an AI tool. It's basically the friend who turns your shower thoughts into a soundtrack. Today, we're diving into one of the most unexpectedly human-feeling music AIs I've tried, Tuney. It's not about templates, it's not about forcing you into genres. It's literally a conversation that turns into music. We're talking chill beats, emotional ballads, cinematic themes, maybe even the background music for your next vlog, all created through a chat. So if you're curious, stick around, because what Tuney does is honestly kind of wild. 1. The moment Tuney gets you. Let me set the scene. I hop into Tuney for the first time, expecting the usual sliders, knobs I don't understand, long prompts like ethereal, warm analog pads with emotional overtones. You know, typical AI music generator chaos. But Tuney, it just goes, hey, what do you feel like today? It's almost eerie how casual it is. So I throw in something vague like, I want something nostalgic, like remembering old times, but in a peaceful way. And instead of glitching out or asking for 20 parameters, Tooney replies like a real producer. Got it. Do you want it acoustic nostalgic, cinematic nostalgic, or soft pop nostalgic? At that moment, I swear I could hear a little sparkles sound in my head. It wasn't guessing it was understanding. 2. Watching Tooney work is weirdly satisfying. Once you give Tooney your vibe, it starts breaking down your idea like a creative partner. It drafts lyrics, it shapes the energy of your chorus, it decides what instruments match your mood, it even gives you variations as if it's saying, hey, let's explore a few creative directions for this kind of nostalgic piece. Here's option 1, 2, 3, and 4. The amount of intention behind each step is the thing that stands out. You don't feel like you're pushing buttons. You feel like the AI is co-writing with you. And the best part? No mixing headaches. No, why does my track sound like it was recorded inside a potato? It comes out polished. Ready. 3. Tooney works with your visual imagination too. This part still blows my mind. Let's say you just filmed a clip of the city at night, or you took a cute photo of your cat in a sunbeam, or you found a video of waves crashing on rocks. You drop it into Tooney. You ask, what soundtrack would match this? And Tooney instantly goes into mood detective mode. It notices the lighting, the colors, the motion, the tiny emotional cues you didn't even think mattered. And then it composes something that feels like your visual turned into sound. It's like synesthesia in AI form. Your memories suddenly have music. Here's my honest take. Tooney feels less like software and more like a creative buddy. It removes the barriers, the technical walls, the confusing tools, and focuses on the part that matters, your idea. If you're a creator, a filmmaker, a gamer, a hobbyist musician, or just someone who loves messing around with sound, Tooney is absolutely worth exploring. I'll leave the link in the description so you can jump in and try making your first track. Before you head out, let me know in the comments. What's the first vibe you'd want Tooney to turn into a song? Hit like, subscribe for more AI tools and creative experiments, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative and keep making noise.